we've prepared the bacon, the onions, and the mushrooms, we're going to move on to our spread. We're almost ready to put our sandwich together. This spread is simple, but yet it's not right out of a jar, because anyone could do that, you know? To make a super sandwich, you have to do things a little bit better, make them a little bit more interesting. The ingredients for our spread are mayonnaise. I'm using a full-fat organic mayonnaise, and that's 1 cup. A half a cup of barbecue sauce. This is the bottled kind. That's fine, whatever your favorite one is. And 1/3 of a cup of pickle relish. Just the regular pickle relish. This gives it a little texture and certainly flavor, a little bit of acid, so that'll be good. Now I specifically put the mayonnaise in a bigger bowl. We're just going to add everything in. The fewer bowls the better, you know, make it easy. So there's our mayonnaise. We're going to add this much barbecue sauce, which is going to really give an extra dimension to the mayonnaise. And the pickle relish, all right in there, just like that. Stir it together. Oh, it smells good. You can smell the barbecue sauce and the pickles and the mayonnaise. It's just a vehicle for all that good flavor. Okay, I've stirred it together, and that's what it looks like. This is going to be the spread for our super roast beef sandwich. Mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, and a little bit of pickle relish. Next, we're going to assemble the sandwich. Things are really getting close now.